Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. I'm excited for this video because one of you is going to have the chance to win this Google Pixel 2 right here. It's been a little while since I've done a dedicated phone giveaway, and I really want to say thank you. You guys have given some amazing support lately. Really appreciate it. The comments, the likes, just the feedback, and even just watching a video. It really does mean a lot to me. Now, this isn't a sponsored giveaway or anything. I actually bought this with my own money a little while ago, and I want to just give it to one of you. Now, it's very easy to enter. All you have to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel. Just really giving back to my core subscribers. It really means a lot, you guys coming back and watching more and more of my videos. We will get more giveaways going soon. I actually have some plans, so those are in the future, but right now, just want to give away a Pixel 2 to one lucky subscriber. There's also a bunch of other entries you can have. You can have some extra entries, so just go through the list. If you want to add more, you can. As a side note, I'm also giving away a Google Home Mini on my Instagram account, so you can go over there and enter that if you're interested. I'll announce the winner pretty soon on my stories, so you'll see that. Here's just a quick peek at what the winner will get. The white variant of the Google Pixel 2. Opening it on up, here is the device. All factory reset and ready for you to log into your account. And then I actually haven't really touched anything else in this box. You get your booklets, USB-C to USB-A adapter. You have your dongle, USB-C to headphone jack, your cable, and then your AC adapter right there as well. And of course, cannot forget the bonus Q&A. I mentioned it on Twitter, got some questions from you. Just want to answer a few. First one, of course, the standard one from Mohammed. How old are you? Did you go to college? Is YouTube your full-time job? So I'm 42 years old. Yes, I did go to college. I studied business management, and YouTube is my full-time job. I was able to transition from college straight into YouTube, and in case you're not paying attention, I'm not 42 years old. I'm actually 26. Next question from Ranjit Jacob. Your favorite movie of all time? I'm going to have to go with Space Jam, just a classic and something that I watched almost every day as a kid. So a lot of fond memories watching that movie. Next question from Brian. If you were a cereal, which one would you be? I'm going to have to go with Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I really like cinnamon flavored things, not just cinnamon on its own. No incoming cinnamon challenge on the channel, but Cinnamon Pop-Tarts, my go-to. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, definitely up there as one of my favorite cereals, so going to go with that one. Just so I don't mispronounce your name, at MPSB49 wants to know Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro. I actually use Final Cut Pro on my MacBook Pro. Next question, someone asking about the OnePlus 6. All I have to say is stay tuned to the channel, probably tomorrow. Just a couple more questions. Gabe Flores wants to know, how do you like streaming on Twitch? Something I've been doing for about 5 months now, and we've actually started to grow and grow. It's been a ton of fun, actually. I love the live streaming aspect, to be able to interact with some of you guys. If you don't follow me, feel free and you want to check out the live streams. But it has been a very good experience. I really enjoy it. I can get a couple buddies involved as well. So it's been a very enjoyable experience. The support from you guys has been great, and I love interacting with you guys in real time. The final question, because this is just a quick Q&A, a full one coming in the near future, from Spectre. As someone who's so immersed in mobile phones, are you concerned about privacy since most devices, such as home AI assistants, are always listening to your conversations? The answer is yes, I am concerned with privacy, and it's a lot about choosing a company that you trust, and you do put a lot of trust in these companies because they have audio snippets that you can go on Google, and every time you activate the assistant, it records and stores everything that you actually say. There's a way to go back and listen to all of the different things that you've asked Google, and that matters. That's a big deal. I think it comes down to how do they use that data. They need to use it in an ethical way and not share it with people without your authorization. Those are the two main things. It just comes down to who you trust, and it does worry me. It's something that you just kind of hope these companies take an ethical stance on this issue and keep it to themselves. Anyways, that's just about it. Go ahead and go enter in the Pixel 2 giveaway, giving it away to someone lucky in 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that. I'll announce it on Twitter or social media, maybe Instagram stories, something like that. So stay tuned for that winner announcement. Looking forward to seeing who wins. More giveaways coming soon as well. I'm going to give away as many things as possible, including giveaways on the Twitch channel. So stay tuned for that. And as always, guys, thank you so much for the support, and thank you for watching.